Hi, I'm Lee Stone, and this is your UFX Bank Week in Review. Today I will go over some of the major financial events of the past week and look at how they might impact the global currency markets. But before we begin with the headlines of the week, let's take a look at last week's risers and fallers. The Euro-US dollar pair had a fairly solid week. The pair gained just over 1% and was last trading at 142.33. The British pound had a somewhat mixed performance this week against the dollar, rising 0.42% and closing at 161.08. The US dollar rose against the Japanese yen throughout the week. The pair managed to finish the week trading at 84.04, a gain of 3.34%, making it the largest weekly gain for this pair in over a year. The USD CAD struggled throughout the week and showed losses in each day. Overall, the dollar dropped 1.86% and closed on Friday at 0.9629. Taking a look at commodities, gold had a mixed week. By the close of Friday trading, the yellow metal lost 0.07% and closed at $1,428 per ounce. Meanwhile, May crude orders had a mixed performance but returned large gains for the week. Orders rose 2.4% and closed Friday trading at just under $108 per barrel. In news this week, Daniel Tenenbaum of Bank of America has revealed that he will be resigning from his post. The managing director and co-head of rate strategy and emerging market currencies plans to join a money management account, according to some unauthorized sources. A spokesperson for Bank of America, though, refused to comment on Tenenbaum's resignation. In Canada, Prime Minister Stephen Harper made a campaign pledge to complete free trade agreements with both India and the European Union by 2013. During his campaign for the May 2nd elections in Halifax, Nova Scotia, Harper said that on completing the trade agreements with the EU and India, he would be able to provide Canadian firms access to an extended market of over 1.7 billion people. In many ways, this underscores the need for this country's exporters to lower their dependence on U.S. markets. The percentage of Canada's exports to the U.S. declined to their lowest levels since 1982, according to Canadian statistics. At the same time, the cost of shipments to the U.S. has increased by 7.5% over the last year. Canada had the fastest exit from the global recession when compared to other Group of 7 countries. Their non-U.S. related trade was the biggest factor in this quick recovery and seems to be one of the best reasons for the country to pursue further trade agreements outside of the U.S. In Asia, the Bank of China Hong Kong has reduced its interest rates on yuan deposits after noticing that the money being held in accounts increased to a record high in February, demonstrating a high demand for investment and trades in the currency. Hong Kong's only clearing bank for yuan banking services reduced its annual rate to 0.629% from 0.865%. Deposits also increased 10% in February when compared to the previous month, which was more than fivefold from the previous year on a record 407.7 billion yuan. This amounts to $62.3 billion. Wen Jiabao is hoping to promote the use of the yuan as an alternative to the US dollar in global investment and trade. The People's Bank of China is also looking forward to widening the cross-border usage of the yuan, which would also include a repatriation of funds from overseas. Well, that's it. That's all the time we have left for today. We hope you enjoyed our weekly review, and we hope you will join us next week. Until next time, be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe, and secure trading. Also, you can follow us on Twitter and Facebook. To submit questions to our weekly broadcast, please email your questions to askthebroker@UFXBank.com. For UFX Bank, I'm Lee Stone. Good luck and happy trading.